So today I'm going to show you how to play a modded version of Hunting Sniper for iOS and Android. So as you can see guys, I am broke, but in the mod menu I can actually do unlimited gems and unlimited coins. So I'm going to turn this on just to show you guys that it actually works, and let's see if they go up. So here's what we're currently dealing with, and you can see it's not that nice, but let's see if it goes up. So hopefully we do see an increase, guys. So let's see, and bang guys, look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. It works for iOS and Android. So if you guys are looking to get unlimited stuff in Hunting Sniper, keep watching and I will show you how to download this mod. So it's pretty easy guys, just go to tweakmod.com, and once you're on the website guys, just go to the search bar and type in Hunting Sniper, and then go ahead and press install. So there is going to be one more step guys, it's the verification. So you just got to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store, but I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So it shouldn't take that long, and we're going to be all good to go guys. Like, a lot of people hate on me, but I'm providing a real Hunting Sniper hack that actually works. So how can you complain about that? Like, this is legit. So let's see what happens guys. Are we going to be rich or poor? I don't know, but it's bringing me to the Hunting Sniper mod right now. So as you can see guys, it's just gonna say like missing files. So we just need to download some of these apps. So you can see all the apps here. So like Scanner app is like search and install it, and then we have the Underdog Fantasy, which is download and run for 30 seconds, and then we have, you know, it's Lucky Match. You got to reach level 11 on the game, but these are really easy, so just download 2 of them. There's a video to watch if you're confused, and that's how you get Hunting Sniper hack for your device. 2025 approved. So yeah, this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out, bro.